This is first violin for the Bach Minuets. The first minuet, which is on your first page, is in 3/4 time. That means that you have 3 beats to a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. So instead of having 4 beats, you're going to have 3 beats. So it's going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you'll notice also that it has 1 sharp in our key signature. That means that 1 sharp is number 1 in F sharp, and number 2 that we are in the key of G major. So we will not have C sharps unless there's a sharp sign that is written next to a C, which means it's an accidental. It's only good for that measure. So I have my metronome here. I'm going to set it at 88. If you don't have a metronome, go to metronomeonline.com and you can click on 88 and it will start ticking like this. Each of these ticks is 1 quarter note. The last thing that I'm going to say is that you'll notice that there is a repeat sign at the end of measure 16 and also at the very end of the first page. In the interest of time, I'm not going to play the repeats. However, please note that we might be playing the repeats in orchestra. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And that is the end of the first minuet. You also have a second page, and there's a Roman numeral number 2 at the top. That is our second movement, or the second Bach minuet. Now you'll also notice that, number 1, the key signature is the same, so we have an F sharp. We do not have a C sharp unless you see one in a measure. And that our time signature is 3/4 time. That means we still have 3 beats to a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. So I'm setting my metronome at the same speed, 88. And you'll notice that there are repeats in this one as well. This time I'm doing the first repeat, but I'm not doing the very last repeat. I will call it out as I play it. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Second ending. Measure 10. Measure 18. Okay, and that is the first violin part to both Bach minuets.